Rise and shine, little paws. A bright new day is waiting for you today. I will tell you 5 things to do before going to school. First one is wake up early. Give yourself enough time to get ready without rushing. Second is brush your teeth. Little teeth, shiny and bright. Brush them well, morning and night. And then wash your face. Splash, splash, fresh and bright. Wash your face, feels so light. The third one is eating healthy, strong and smart, full of cheer. Healthy meals bring energy here. A happy tummy, a happy you, eat fresh and stay bright too. And yes, don't forget to clean your plates after eating, it's a good habit. Fourth one is check your bag properly. Pack your bag, don't be late, everything ready makes school great. Fifth one, and last one is, check your schedule, plan your day, be prepared in every way. Lessons, homework, and tests too, checking your schedule is smart to do. And most important, don't forget to hug your parents. Okay friends, that's all for today. We will meet again, bye.